Hi there, and welcome to the 3X Confidence and Authenticity Masterclass program. I'd like to start by congratulating you for taking some steps to rebuild your confidence and to become more authentic. It takes humility and courage to do this. I know because I've been there. My name is Dan Munro. I'm a confidence coach based out in New Zealand, and I run the men's group The Brojo as well. And I'm here because I wanted to get the information I've learned over the last 5 years out into the world. There is so much out there on how to build confidence and what authenticity is, which is unhelpful stuff. I want to undo that damage. I want to show you what actually works. I come from a background of not being confident. As I grew up, I developed what I call a people-pleasing persona. I became obsessed with seeking approval from other people, with being validated by other people. I needed people to like me, to approve of what I'm doing, to pat me on the back and tell me that I'm a good boy in order to enjoy life. And even when it happened, it still wasn't good enough for me. There was this underlying anxiety all the time, worrying about what people think of me, what results I might get, and so on. I realized as I hit my mid-20s that something was wrong, that I wasn't enjoying life the way it was going, that despite achievements, despite trying all these different things, I still wasn't sure of myself. I still waited for other people to give me the approval I sought. I started to ask, is there another way to live? After a background in psychology, working with rehabilitating criminal offenders and managing staff in that area, I started to realize that you're not what you're born. You can be something new. You can change the way things are for you. You can change your behavior. You can change the way you think. And eventually you can even change the way you feel. And what I realized over time was that I wasn't trying to build something new. I was trying to rediscover something I once had. The concept of authenticity is my belief that you can be yourself through the actions you take every day, through living by the values that mean something to you. And it's one of those things that's much easier said than done. And I believe I've discovered the process by which you can do this, where you can courageously live in a way where you don't apologize for who you are, and you do the things that are meaningful and fun and enjoyable for you most of the time, creating that confidence and that sense of meaning and purpose in your life. And that's what this program is all about. Through a model I've developed called the 3X model, I will show you how to live in a way where you get to be yourself and feel good about it all of the time. I will show you how to let go of all the limiting beliefs and the fears that were bred into you as you grew up when you were too young to do anything about it. How to let go of the beliefs that don't serve you well, and to change the behaviors that you are doing right now to sabotage your enjoyment of life. I come from knowing. I've been through that. I suffered the pain of no confidence, of uncertainty, of being a fake person. And through that, I learned how to get back to what we're all born with, that authentic self, the person we wish we were. I want to help you bridge that gap. I want you to stop being who you are and start being who you're supposed to be. And I'm going to break that down for you step by step. I'll see you there.